Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back to my channel. Today practice I will show you nice and easy warm-up or nice and easy morning routine, morning flow you can do just to wake up your body, to feel good, to feel better. Let's do something very simple. Let's start with bring your knees on the ground, arms on the ground. Then from here, first inhale deeply, exhale. Start moving your right arm towards the right side first, stretching your spine first. Your left side. Hold here a couple of seconds, and then nice and easy switch back. Morning, many people have lower back pain, so this kind of gentle release will help. Then switch, right side, try to walk more. Switch, left side. Very good. Awesome. Now we continue, cat and cow. I think you are familiar with this. First, inhale deeply. Exhale, pike your back. Inhale, arch. Again, inhale, pike. Inhale, arch. Okay, move your arms forward on your fingertips. From here, inhale first. Exhale, drive your hips backwards, chest down. One more. Forward and down. As low as possible. Two more. One more. And hold. Feel the length through your spine. Just hold here a little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Arms on the ground. Inhale first. We will open towards the left side first. Lengthening for the spine up, opening chest towards the side. Inhale first. Exhale, your left arm is pushing up. Hold here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Inhale. Exhale up. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Another side. Inhale. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Good. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. We continue. Lower back, lower body. Starting from the left leg first. We're going to raise it up. Then twist it towards the left side. Then bring it back. Then again up. Then open towards the left side and bring it back. Let's work 10 times. Inhale first. Up and let's work. Exhale. Side and down. Rotations. Up. 1. Open towards the side. 3. Keep moving. Nice and easy. Slow. 4. 5. 6. Keep your hips square. 7. Breathe. 8. 9. One more. 10. And release. Inhale. Exhale. We switch side, starting from the right. Up, side, and back. 2. 3. Keep working. Nice and easy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rotate, 9, one more, 10. Inhale first, exhale. Then what we're gonna do next, left leg straight. We will move from the right hip first. So we are moving backwards and forward, backward and forward. Here we go, 10 times. 1, keep moving, 2, 3, left leg is straight, 4, 5, go ahead, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move backward as much as you can and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, nice and easy, you flex your right leg up, down facing dog, and just hold here a couple of seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and nice and easy move down. Get ready, another side. Inhale first, exhale, right leg go backwards, rotate your pelvis, engage, start moving from the left side, back, 1, forward, 2, keep moving, 3, awesome, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move backwards as much as you can. Hold here. 3, 2, 1. From here, lengthening through your leg, down facing dog. Hold. 10, 9, 8. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then drive your right leg down to down facing dog and just hold your down facing dog, lengthening through the spine. Feel your hamstrings. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, nice and easy, your right leg drive toward the left side this way, and then you just relax forward. Hold here. 3, 2, 1. You need to feel the right side more. And back to down facing dog first. Exhale. And we switch side. Left leg drives towards the right side. Try to keep it straight. And release. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to down facing dog. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees on the ground. Keep your knees, put them together. Point your toes. And then what we're gonna do from here, inhale first. You exhale, you drive your butt towards the floor first. And back. So we're going to do 5 times on each side. Again, right side. You need to feel the lower back. 3. Keep your legs together. 4. One more. 5. Back to the middle. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Left side. And back. 2. And back. 3. And back. Feel your lower back more. 4. And back. 5. Awesome. One more. 6. And back. Nice one. Release. Sit down a little bit. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's do one more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay, lie down. Let's activate our upper body. From here, straight arms, palms looks up. Then from here, what we're gonna do? We're gonna push our arms up with our thoracic spine and back. Arms, thoracic spine and back. Here we go, 10 times. Inhale first. Exhale, let's work. 2, squeeze your upper back. 3, push with your arms up. 4, go ahead. 5, keep moving. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Hold here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, nice and easy, drive your arm forward and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Place your palms in front of you, neck on your palms. Inhale first. Exhale. Raise your left leg up and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, right leg go up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Arms closer to your chest. Inhale first. Exhale, flex up. Lower back, feel it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy back. Move your hips backwards. Pike your back. Hold a bit this way. 3, 2, 1. Good. Stand up a little bit. Okay, the last one. Drive your hips back. Feel your hamstrings, feel your posture. Arms in front of you, and then from here, just open your arms to the left side. Open your arms and just hold this way. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy. Drop your knees on the ground. Squeeze your butt forward. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we start lowering our lower body, our upper body, sorry. 1 and back. Nice and easy. 2 and back. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Toes towards the side, sit down and just chill a little bit. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Okay, that's it. Nice and easy flow you can do every morning, every evening. Suitable almost for everyone. Just for those who have low back pain, try to avoid like arching your spine too much. In other cases, you're welcome. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.